What's up, beautiful people? It's the Hippie Krissy, and I'm coming back with another video. And in this video, I am going to be doing a wash routine. And in this routine, I'm adding a little extra to it. I found some aloe outside in the yard, and I am just taking some fresh aloe with some oils, and I am placing it on my hair as a rinse. So that is what you see me doing here. I am cutting the aloe apart and just getting all that slimy goodness into this container here and adding my oils and whipping it all up. So enjoy. Yeah. Skies are blue. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no games. Chemistry day. So as you guys can see, I used all the aloe. So I broke off a little piece, but I used the whole piece. So my hair was really dry and I needed some hydration. So the first oil that I used was grapeseed oil. And yeah, I just mixed it up with the aloe and got it nice and ready. Now I'm taking my blender. This is my handheld blender. I got this off of Amazon. And I am just going to blend it on up. Get into it. Y'all love me. Don't act like you don't. Love you too. So the second oil that I'm using is the Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm putting a little bit in the mixture as well, and I'm blending that up as well. And now we're gonna get ready for the wash. Boom, boom, boom. A. Because my hair needed to be washed, y'all. My hair was dry. Okay? Y'all hear me? Look at that gooiness. Look at that. The mixture is ready. It is ready, guys. So now for my shampoos, I'm using a clarifying shampoo and I'm using a conditioning shampoo. And these shampoos are from Basic, and it is a professional hair care line. And yeah, we about to wet this thing up and get this thing started. Wash. So the first shampoo I'm taking is the clarifying shampoo, and I am just lathering it up in my scalp. And I'm just focusing on the scalp right now because, yeah, like I said, my hair was dirty, okay? So I'm focusing on the scalp. Now, mind you, I'm going to be very transparent. My hair prior to combining my locks was very damaged. So if you see a piece fall off, you know why, okay? I'm still in the process of getting them a little tighter. My locks are probably going to be shorter in a few because as I'm going through it and trying to get them tighter and forming them, I am losing hair, but that's okay because it's a transition and I was ready for it. I was prepared for it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I am just saturating my hair with the first shampoo and then I am rinsing it on out. So now I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm doing a clarifying shampoo twice and then I'm doing the conditioning shampoo last. So here you see me doing the clarifying shampoo one more time to the scalp and I'm getting in there, okay? Scrub. And then I'm going to end with the conditioning shampoo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. Okay, hit that post notification so that you know every time your girl posts videos. Why not? Why not? Subscribe. It's down below. Subscribe. Hit it. Hit that bell. Ping. Now I'm about to do my aloe rinse, and I'm just taking it. I'm not really taking the gel per se, but I am taking the like the slimy part. I'm taking the slimy part first, and I am placing it all over the base of my locks, and I'm just getting into the roots because that's where the dryness was at. So that's what I'm doing here. That's what you see me doing. It's real slimy, and it does not smell good, but guess what? It's healthy for my hair, and look, I'm in the process. You see them little stringies on the bottom of my locks? My hair was damaged. My hair is still damaged. So I'm literally getting everything back to normal, okay? So that's what I'm doing. This rinse is essential, okay? So now I'm putting the entire concoction on my head now. So I'm taking the entire mixture and I'm putting it on my whole head from top to bottom. So that's what you see me doing here. And then I am going to rinse it out.